Unearthing possibilities. The essentials of renting an excavator. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific but important topic for anyone involved in construction, landscaping, or any project requiring heavy machinery: renting an excavator. This video will break down what you need to know about this process, making it simple and understandable for English language learners. So, let's get started and unearth all there is to know about renting an excavator. An excavator is a large, powerful machine used for digging, moving earth, or heavy lifting in construction and landscaping projects. It consists of a boom, dipper, or stick, bucket, and cab on a rotating platform called the house. The house sits atop an undercarriage with tracks or wheels. Excavators are essential for a variety of tasks, including digging trenches, holes, and foundations, demolition, handling materials, and more. Understanding what an excavator does will help you decide if you need one for your project. Renting an excavator can be a practical choice for many reasons. First, it's cost-effective for those who need an excavator for a short-term project or occasionally. Buying one can be very expensive, and renting avoids the long-term commitment and maintenance costs. Additionally, renting gives you the flexibility to choose the right size and type of excavator for your specific project needs. Whether it's a mini excavator for tight spaces or a larger model for substantial digging work, renting offers versatility and convenience. 1. Determine your needs. Consider the project size, the type of terrain, and the excavator size required. Knowing your project's specific needs will help you choose the most suitable excavator. 2. Find a rental company. Look for reputable equipment rental companies in your area. It's important to choose a company with good customer service, a range of equipment options, and competitive pricing. 3. Understand rental terms. Before renting, familiarize yourself with the rental agreement's terms and conditions. This includes the rental period, costs, insurance coverage, and any additional fees. Ask questions if anything is unclear. 4. Safety and operation training. If you or your team are not experienced in operating an excavator, many rental companies offer training. Ensuring the operator is competent and understands safety protocols is crucial. 5. Inspection and pickup. Before taking the excavator to your site, inspect it thoroughly to ensure it's in good working condition. Note any existing damage to avoid disputes when returning it. Renting an excavator can significantly enhance the efficiency and success of your projects, offering flexibility and cost-saving benefits. By understanding what an excavator is, why renting can be a smart choice, and how to navigate the renting process, you're now better equipped to make informed decisions for your construction or landscaping needs. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we look forward to assisting you with more tips and insights in our future videos. Thank you for watching, and happy excavating!